how you can easily lock your Facebook profile. First, head over to your Facebook application, and once you get inside your Facebook application, head over to your settings option. Click here, and as you can see, settings option. Click on settings option, and once you click on it, go below all the way and until you find the followers and public content option. And before you lock your profile, just make sure you have everything over here like this on friends, or either on friends or only me. So just do according to me, like this. And like this. Just make sure these are all turned on to friends or only me. And similarly, head over to profile and tagging option, and similarly make sure these all are in friends or only me options. So just make sure it's not on public option. So once you do that, I want you to get over your profile section, and inside your profile section, as you can see here, 3 dots option. Just click on it, and you can see the lock profile option, and you can simply click on lock your profile option. And once you click on it, you have to wait for some time, and that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can lock your profile. And if you ever want to unlock your profile again, just simply click on the 3 dot icons, and you can see the option here, unlock profile, and you can simply unlock your profile like that. So that is it, guys. That's exactly how you can unlock and lock your profile on your Facebook. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.